My name is Jon Lehrmann. I'm a psychiatrist and I'm a professor of psychiatry and behavioral medicine at the Medical College of Wisconsin. My whole career I've worked at helping people and helping them improve their mental health. And so I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this advice that I'm giving today. And I hope that you use this advice, and if you do, I believe you'll have a better holiday this year. Holiday seasons tend to be very hard for people. Oftentimes that's because people set their expectations too high, but also because they do not take care of themselves during the holiday, because it can be a stressful period where they're trying to fit a lot in and they don't get enough sleep, they don't eat well, and they don't exercise enough. So as you enter the holiday season, there are things you can do to be certain that you have a better holiday this year than perhaps years past. I think another rule of thumb that oftentimes during the holidays we get ourselves into conflicts, and I think there are things that we can do to avoid conflicts. An easy example is avoiding talking about politics with family and friends, because politics can be controversial. So reliving things from the past where there's hard feelings, we've got to be careful about going there. In the midst of conversations with family and loved ones, one of the things to watch out for is try to avoid using you statements. When you use you statements, it's like pointing at somebody, and so it elicits more defensiveness. So when you're conveying feelings, try to use I statements. When you use I statements like, I felt this way when this occurred, people are less likely to get defensive and it's less likely to lead to conflict, but it's a healthier way to get your own feelings out. So that's another pointer in interpersonal conversations with family and loved ones. Don't overeat. So often we focus on food over the holidays and big meals. Eat the foods that you enjoy, but try not to overeat. Again, talking about diet, I can't forget to mention that many of us tend to imbibe too much during the holidays. And alcohol, even though it might make you sleepy, it actually worsens your sleep. And drinking too much, alcohol is a sedative, and it can lead to more depression. So do not overdrink. 1 or 2 drinks a day can help with the holiday spirit, but more than that actually can have a negative impact on you, your mood and your sleep. And it also disinhibits and can lead to more conflict with your relatives and loved ones. So watch how much you drink and be certain not to overdrink during the holidays. I also think that holiday time is about kindness, and whether it's Hanukkah, whether it's Christmas, or whatever holiday gatherings you have, try to focus on giving and not expecting too much about getting. When we give, it makes us all feel better that we're helping somebody, that we're contributing. So focus on kindness. Focus on being kind to your relatives. Focus on the day. Focus on the people that are there and being kind to each other and sharing. I think if you do that, what you get out of the holiday is much more real and fulfilling.